Hello and welcome to this week's video where I'd like to share with you another 5 gift ideas for narrowboat owners. My first idea is a gift that I actually gave to Peter as soon as he moved onto the boat. It's a first aid box. No narrowboat should be without one, or indeed any home. This one I got from Boots. It came with a supply of first aid items like plasters and even a pair of scissors. You can get them from anywhere. I've got a Superdrugs one in my home, but on the boat I figured Peter might need a larger kit. Don't know why I thought that, but that's what I got him. So that was his first gift from me on the narrowboat. My second item is actually for the kitchen, and I picked it up at the range. It's a spice rack. I think it looks quite nice screwed to the wall. We keep quite a few spices in there. And Peter actually attached a hook on the side of the rack for the gas lighter for the oven and the hob. It's conveniently placed, and we managed to rig up, attached to the bottom of the spice rack, a wire, recycled wire actually, from a spiral bound notebook. And we've put a kitchen roll on there. It was supposed to be a temporary fix, but actually it works so well we've just left it. So when you buy something, maybe it won't stay quite as it was given. Feel free to adapt it. But this has proved really useful, being right next to the hob. This item, I think no narrowboat should be without, and I'm sure it isn't. It's a set of wine glasses. Now most wine glasses have quite narrow, fragile stems, but we discovered these in Dunelm. They've got quite a nice chunky base, so they don't topple over so easily, but yet the rim of the glass is nice and delicate, so you can still enjoy a glass of wine with it. Now, as you can see, these glasses are not filled at the moment. Why is that? Well, as part-time boater, I drive to the boat, and therefore our meals, whenever I'm driving to the boat, just for the day during lockdown, I don't have any wine. So they are empty, but I wanted to share them with you anyway. They are a nice set of glasses. This next item I really like. They have proved so useful on the boat. It's a set of oven mitts. You can buy them individually, I think. I can't remember actually if they came as a pair, but I will look that up and put them in the description below. They are nice and handy. They just fit over your fingers and thumb, as you see in the picture here. And I really like them because they are compact. They hang on the oven door. They are in no way in the way, and therefore they're always handy whenever we need to use them. The matching item we found was a pot holder, and we don't actually use it as a pot holder, but it makes an excellent teapot stand on the counter, and that's how we use it. However, you can use it for lifting pots and pans about on the hob. It will do either. Our last item is one that I referenced in last week's video, and that is a set of chopping boards. Now these are by Joseph, and they are really compact. They look nice on the boat. We use it to attach our LED light to for extra light during cooking, as you can see in the photograph here. It's just a really nice set of chopping boards, nice and compact, easy to keep clean, and everything in its place. On the top of the boards, they have little symbols, one for meat, one for veg, and so on. So you can actually differentiate what board you're using. Well, this brings me to the end of our video. I hope you've enjoyed my 5 gift ideas for this week, and maybe you would consider giving one of those to your friend or loved one. They don't have to be on a boat or in a small space, but they are really nice gift ideas and they work very well on our narrowboat. I would like to thank my subscribers and you for watching. Please consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video if you've enjoyed it, and I do hope you have. So until next week and next week's video,